Your home's siding does more than just boost curb appeal. It protects your property from the elements, improves insulation, and adds long-term value. Over time, however, siding naturally wears down, and knowing when to replace it can save you from costly repairs later. If you're a homeowner in Clinton Township, understanding the key signs of siding deterioration can help you act before problems escalate. Cracks, warping, or loose panels. One of the most obvious signs it's time for siding replacement is visible physical damage. Cracks, warping, or gaps between panels allow moisture, pests, and air to penetrate your home's structure. In Clinton Township's variable Michigan climate, with freezing winters and humid summers, this damage can worsen quickly. Warped siding often indicates moisture trapped underneath, while cracks can lead to mold or rot inside your walls. If you notice panels pulling away or nails rusting and popping out, it's time to call a professional for inspection. Peeling paint or fading color. High-quality siding should maintain its color for many years. When paint begins to peel or fade significantly, it's often more than just an aesthetic issue. It suggests your siding's weatherproof coating has broken down. This makes your home more vulnerable to water damage and energy loss. In Clinton Township, where UV exposure and seasonal storms are common, faded or peeling siding usually means it's nearing the end of its lifespan. New siding can restore your home's vibrant appearance while offering better resistance to sunlight and moisture. Rising energy bills. If your heating and cooling costs are suddenly increasing without a clear reason, your siding could be to blame. Damaged or deteriorating siding can allow drafts to enter your home, forcing your HVAC system to work harder. Poor insulation means your home can't maintain consistent indoor temperatures, especially during Clinton Township's cold winters. Replacing your siding with modern, energy-efficient materials such as insulated vinyl or fiber cement can dramatically improve comfort and reduce utility expenses. Mold, mildew, or rot. Moisture is siding's worst enemy. If you notice mold or mildew forming along seams or at the base of your siding, it's likely that water is seeping behind the panels. Wood siding is particularly susceptible to rot, which compromises both its appearance and structural integrity. Even vinyl or fiber cement siding can allow moisture penetration if improperly installed or aged. Addressing this issue early is crucial. Neglecting it can lead to interior wall damage, costly repairs, and potential health concerns. Bubbling or blistering. When siding begins to bubble or blister, it's usually a sign that water has become trapped beneath the surface or that the siding has been exposed to excessive heat. This problem is common after years of sun exposure or if the siding's protective coating wears off. In Clinton Township's changing temperatures, these bubbles can expand and crack, leading to even greater damage over time. Replacing compromised panels promptly can prevent moisture from spreading and help maintain your home's exterior protection. Pest-damaged termites, carpenter ants, and even woodpeckers can cause extensive damage to your siding, especially if it's made of wood. Small holes, sawdust-like debris, or hollow-sounding panels are telltale signs of pest activity. If left unchecked, these infestations can spread to your home's framework. Opting for pest-resistant materials such as vinyl or fiber cement siding can eliminate this problem while giving your home a fresh, durable exterior. Frequent maintenance or repairs. If you find yourself constantly repainting, sealing, or replacing sections of your siding, it may be more cost-effective to invest in a full replacement. Modern siding materials are designed to be low maintenance, resisting fading, warping, and cracking for decades. Upgrading now means fewer repairs, better protection, and greater peace of mind for years to come. Renew your home's look and efficiency. Your home in Clinton Township deserves an exterior that's both beautiful and resilient. Replacing old or damaged siding not only enhances your home's curb appeal but also improves insulation, reduces maintenance, and boosts resale value. Whether you're dealing with visible damage or just aging materials, upgrading your siding is an investment that pays off in comfort, energy efficiency, and lasting protection. If you've noticed any of these warning signs, don't wait for the problem to worsen. Schedule a professional siding inspection and explore modern materials that fit your style and budget. With the right replacement, your Clinton Township home can look stunning and stay protected for decades to come.